Since I hit puberty, my life has always seemed so meaningless. And so one day, just after playing Minecraft, I just laid on this couch right here, and I was thinking like I should do more productive things, or my life is like so boring right now. And I was contemplating if I should like call my friends or organize like a meetup or something like that. I just felt so lonely inside, and I thought I had no purpose in life. I still had friends, but it felt like we weren't even close. We hadn't seen each other in a while, so the friendship just felt so awkward, and we were thinking that why should we even meet up? It's just going to be so awkward and boring and not even great, honestly. But bro, I actually had this tiny feeling inside me that was telling me that I should hang out with my friends and that I should like change my life for the better, and so I actually did it. Basically, I just called one of my friends and told him that we should go for a bike ride, and he instantly agreed. And bro, after that phone call, I was like feeling that our friendship had gotten 10 times better, 10 times stronger. So we actually went for a bike ride, and we just basically explored the city and even just had like a few deep conversations, and it was just like a fun experience. I don't regret it at all. Fast forward to today, I think my life has been the most exciting it has ever been. Even if a school day might sound a bit boring, it's still very fun to go to the gym after every school day. It's very fun to meditate and read every day, and there are also like other productive habits I do every day. Even recording this video, it's actually Monday today, and I think it's a very fun activity to do. Every weekend I try to do something crazy with my friends, like explore the city, like go for a bike ride, or even explore like the ruins away from the city. And so it's just like a very fun experience. And also with my family, I'm also like traveling a lot and just trying to make my life much more fun and also exciting. So this weekend I actually went for a bike ride with a really good friend of mine. We went to many stores. I also bought some Monster. Don't drink that, of course, it's bad for you. But my main point is that you should just try to live out your life and go and explore like your city, like your seashore or something like that. Just go like have a meetup and just see how it goes. So bro, if you're watching this far in the video, you probably relate with the part where I told you that my life was feeling very boring. I had like lack of purpose and I was just feeling very alone. So if you're feeling that way, my advice is basically just like go talk to a friend or go talk to a family member and just organize like a meetup or just like go and hang out together. In simple steps, just like call one of your friends and tell him that you want to hang out, or just like let's go for a bike ride or something. Just tell him something like that. I don't really know why he should say no, but if you aren't like that close with him and you're feeling it's going to be awkward or cringe, still organize a meetup because you only live once and there is like no risk in that. But you don't have to hang out with your friends all the time. You can also like organize a trip with your family or just even have like deep conversations with your family. I think spending time with my family members is really important because they're not going to be around forever, and I'm also going to create nostalgic memories that I can look later back on. And if you're thinking that it's going to be awkward or cringe, I'm telling you that other people don't think about you at all. You don't have to worry about others' opinions because they also have things to do on their own. So bro, your life won't change by itself. Go and take action. I believe in you, bro. See you in the next one.